Number 210, a budget of 256,000 was divided equally among 16 offices. How much was the share for each office? Okay, so choices, 16,000, 32,000, 8,000, 20,000, or 24,000. Okay, so this problem, so this just about simple division because the budget of 256,000 pesos was divided equally among 16 offices. Okay, so just simple division. So we just need to divide 256,000 divided by 16. Okay, so how much was the share for each office? So just divide. So 25 divided by 16, we have 1. And we can stop here because among the choices, there is only one with that starts with 1. So the answer to this is letter A. So no need to continue. Okay, so let's just show. So 1 times 16, we have 16. Subtract this, this will be 15, and then this will be 1. 15 minus 6, we have 9. Bring down 6. So 96 divided by 16, that is equal to 6. 6 times 6, that is equal to 36. 6 times 1 is 6 plus 3, we have 9. And then subtract this, we have 0. And then just copy the remaining 0. So we have final answer of 16,000 pesos, which is letter A.